My dear forensic lady, chapter 22. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong uploads. This is only a fun translation, so grammatical and typographical errors are expected. All of my subscribers, those who are always watching, commenting, reacting, maraming salamat po sa iyong support. I highly appreciate it all. Wow, look at that. Sabay-sabay na sinugod si Captain Song Yuhang ng mga gangsters. Ngunit yung experience ni Captain Song sa self-defense at karate ay cleaned up so quickly. Hey, what are you guys doing? Tawag ng mga police. Kaya Dr. Lin at Song Yuhan nag-explain naman kay Captain Song tungkol sa nangyari sa parking lot. Dr. Lin, in order to test my skills, you put on a good show and now you're going to go where? Stomach irritation from the cold wind. What's the point of being so aggressive when you're dealing with a bunch of gangsters? I just remember the time in Macau. You're taking this opportunity to warn me to stop acting recklessly. Song Yang's suspicion of me has never been dispelled. Here. No, I'm not drunk. So nakatitig lang sa kanya si Captain Song Yang. Pero umano na itong pumunta sa kotse. Should we slow down now? Instead na pumasok sa sasakyan dahil sa malamig na panahon, she's waiting for Dr. Lin outside the car. She looked like she was waiting for the schoolgirl to finish class. It's as if someone else has just done something drastic. Cold? Thanks for watching po. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video.